The cloud was supposed to be simple, a gateway to innovation, efficiency, and security. But for many businesses, it's a maze, costly, complex, and full of roadblocks. What if there was a smarter way, a way to harness the cloud without the headaches? 2bcloud is here to help you get the most out of your cloud. How does it work? Step 1. Onboard and enjoy the ride. Gain access to your own customer portal. Track requests, manage tickets, and streamline your cloud environment effortlessly. Get cost management and optimization tools. Start saving money right away without being a FinOps expert. Meet your strategic partner, ensuring you get all you can get from your cloud. Step 2. Get the cloud you always wanted. A deep dive into your cloud environment with experienced architects to identify gaps and inefficiencies and optimize your architecture plan. Congratulations! You are now a 2bcloud customer and entitled to our complete cloud command package with no additional cost to your cloud bill. 24/7, 365 engineer-to-engineer support. Unlimited, around the clock with full transparency. Open a ticket anytime. From Kubernetes to AI, get expert consultancy in minutes. Optimize costs continuously. Improve cloud efficiency with regular proactive FinOps sessions and tools. What do you get? Unlimited access to top engineers. Less than 10-minute response time. 95% of issues resolved in 1 hour. 98% customer satisfaction score. Maximum value from your cloud vendor. Trusted by over 400 tech companies worldwide. Ready to maximize your cloud's potential? Join 2bcloud, House of Cloud Innovation.